Down the road from my place there's a fine little creek. The state it stocks trout there about once a week. Now I'm out of groceries and I'm down on my luck. I sit by the window and I wait for the truck. Trout truck is a comin', just pulled in the sight. Trout truck is a comin', there's a fish fry tonight. When the trout truck rolls by, well, the driver he toots. I holler for mama to put on her boots and grab an umbrella just in case it might rain. Crawl under the front porch and look for the same. Trout truck is a comin', just pull down the ridge. Trout truck is a comin', them trout off the bridge. When we get to the creek, we will travel downstream to the ripple beside the old washing machine. Trout like it there, and another good lair is the cool shady side of that rusty Corvair. Trout truck is a comin', I'm fishing our brook. We'll catch them all 'cause we know where to look. Now a tastier fish that just cannot be bought, and trout they are stupid and easily caught. Worms, corn, and crickets are baits that will please, but they seem to bite best on that government cheese. Trout truck is a comin', the people all shout. We use federal cheese just to catch the state trout. Trout truck is a comin', just holding the sight. Trout truck is a comin', there's a fish fry tonight. Trout truck is a comin', there's a fish fry tonight.